Exercise 13.3 question number 8. This is an important problem. This as well as the next problem is also important. There is a canal. The shape of the canal is not mentioned and also the shape of the field is also not mentioned. We have to guess that portion. Also the speed of the running water is given. So these are the things which make the problem important. Canals, it is given in the question that the canal is 6 meter wide. That is what we are going to take as B, and 1.5 meter deep. Deep stands for H according to our formula. So we have B and H. Something else is also given about the water in the canal. No, it says the speed of the water is 10 km per hour. What is the meaning for this? The water is covering a distance of 10 km in 1 hour. The distance. This distance is nothing but the length of the cuboidal water column. See, as we discussed in the previous problems, we have 3 dimensions, L, B, and based on the speed we will get one more, which is the length of the shape. So we have 3 dimensions. Now automatically it makes it a cuboid, not a cone, because radius or nothing like that is mentioned. So it is a cuboid. Okay, so length of the water column in 60 minutes. What is the, how are we getting 60 minutes? Because 1 hour, so 1 hour means 60 minutes. It is covering a distance of 10 km. The 10 km I have converted into meters by multiplying by 1000. Then in the question itself it says how much area will it irrigate in 30 minutes. 30 minutes means half of this one, 60 divided by 2. So on right side also I am dividing by 2. I get 5000 meters. So this is the length of the water column. It is 5000 meter. Now I have L, B and H for the water in the canal. Next we have the field. Field also no shape is mentioned, but we don't have to bother about it. 8 cm of standing water. If you go to your native place, you may see paddy fields, where in the paddy field you will have a certain amount of standing water, stagnant water, that is required for the growth of the paddy. But that height only is given here. So standing water means the height of the water column, height of the standing water is given. This is H. It is in centimeters, while the previous units were all in meters. So I have converted this also into meter. Area is asked. No shape is mentioned, but we don't have to worry about it. We have a basic formula. Volume is base area into height. So we are going to use this formula only. In this we know the volume. Volume will be equal to the volume in the canal, and that volume will be equal to base area into height is this one, 8 by 100. Substituting all this, we should be able to get the answer. So volume of water in the canal will be equal to the standing water in the field. Why volume of water in the canal? Not throughout the day, only for the 30 minutes. So it is cuboid, no, LBH equal to, we don't know, base area into height. Height is given in the question. Substitute L, B and H. L we found out just now, 5000, into base and height are given in the question itself. Area of base is unknown. This is the area which is being irrigated, and height is 8 by 100. Then keep area alone on one side and take the numbers to the other side. What will you get? You get the area that is being irrigated. It is it is quite a large number, no? So we have to convert it into the next unit for area, which is hectares. So to convert meter square into hectares, we are dividing by 10,000. We get 56.25 hectares.